asama can say why are they na man can home as say ontimi enjai
so jai
ontimi.
Okay.
Now me person get started from baby near ko baby but what you say na me start here free e dey na mama for do mkora sati bi ani.
Okay, I understand. Yeah. So go ahead.
Okay, to me, it's a question I'll be saying. I won't answer na me to me, I believe say, to me personally, I know someone who's going through that myself. You understand? I mean, and no started from crime. You understand? Also, so sometimes she feels that she's left out. She feels that she's not normal. What do I say? Lesbianism is part of lifestyle right now. We are not all going to deny that. And what the gay whatever is also part of lifestyle right now. People were born with that. I don't know about her situation. If she was born with... Yes, people were born with having feelings for each sex. Yeah, because I've read it online as well. Okay. People are born with that.
Online,
oh, but you read documentaries as well. People were born with that, but in Ghana, no, it's not accepted.
Okay.
So for you, you might feel confused. You understand? You might feel you're not doing the right thing, or and I said, but if that's what you were born with it, just be yourself.
Tough.
I mean, I think first of all, I've got to be blunt about the fact that I totally disagree with you. There are two sides to every story when it comes, especially when it comes to lesbianism and gayism. There's a spiritual side and a physical side.
Okay.
You mustn't deny the fact that, I mean, I've had issues dealt with people personally, right? There was a pageant say a couple of years ago. I won't say a pageant to us, but I had to go and pray with the girls at Chmota Forest once every week. Now, two of the ladies were lesbians. As I speak to you now, one is almost married and the other is married with a daughter. We dealt with the physical side and then we dealt with the spiritual side. Okay. Because it looks like it's normal. But if you are, when you be Shana born Payamano in a state like that, and you see the manifestations that happen, you know, saying, yeah, on one or there are issues that are steeped in negative spirituality that have to be dealt with before you come to the counseling side where you try to get them out. Well, okay, I don't want to go there. I was going to go into your issue, but yes, I just think that I greatly disagree with her. A combination of two things. Home plays a part, but then you give people
an excuse
to fool around. Say, I won't be there. But there is an element of choice that also plays an integral part. And yet, I won't be. It's a home and one choice. So you might start on paddy level. But once you have started, bibi edno hobejim. Inti say enye wow till baby dream. And then when I start here, usually there's the power of choice that you have. Once you start, there are all sorts of energies waiting to latch on to what you say and what you do. Okay. Some positive, some negative. It's absolutely not the case. I'm sorry.
About, I get your point too, but I'm talking from if you're feeling like left out, if you were born with that situation, fine. There's
one born with that situation.
I read a lot and I listen to a lot of documentaries. I look at people's lifestyle and I'm saying I might not be understood because I have two sides. I have a cultured side and I totally don't. I believe in what's it called? I don't agree with two women doing stuff because I'm a Christian. You understand? But I'm talking from a view whereby a girl has issues with it. She's also ordained too much. Okay. You understand? And people, things like that, it causes suicides. And people be like, why? I think I'm different. You understand?
Yeah, she just needs help.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying say they actually do need help. But I'm just saying say for someone who's going through a lot, it's taking them to suicidal. They should just be themselves. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Be themselves.
Yes.
Well, I'll come to you later. TikTok. Who dream say say what theater man for some more can entertainment industry ni mo yehu ye say the lady no ka say oyi movie and some idea theater ni yetete say bra omo bokese wo mu eno no na me pese bi hu say e die pa na de sa de ne ba eye akono na say me ma no na motete ma na koma ti na oba bi o ho no ma say me kwakofa ba ma na ti makoma de ne me kwakofa me yonko ba
me eno de me reading the letter no me hu say o say o tibia no mu dada o pe so free but say me pese me fa o question e there and e meka say senior menua edi kan no from me background any e wo me ba wi ase de me nim ni de mesua say unim yehua na sa no ma odidi agro unim yehua on ka say lifestyle
okay
eye bone kese eye yankopon achiwade kese papa
ko bible ni mama capital sin
say ibi nipa kra wo no ho beda
masturbation no
thank you na kasa mpese
yonko
bema na oba beda eye abomination
capital sin
so wo bekaya
Sodom and Gomorrah.
Thank you. And my who are say or say a whole city. And then Manika being so. We are saying, and you may cost Banipa and Shannon so. Nana me who CNN just about 4 days ago, and no can make catch my friend B. I said, I think my house was here or it was there. They can't even find their house, the geographical location. All they know is that they are standing in an area where they used to live. But they don't, nothing shows their house was there. They don't even know. Obi our time maybe 30 years, 50 years, 60 years. Oh, who ni fie? Nyankopon wa fa no wa funtum asasane foforo because in your man bonnet and nipa ye. Say Nyankopon kasa. Oye. Bon se nipa ya dane se in 30 ya. E wo se kai ehun se nipa da se ni akasa. 2 million de nam na nye ye de ya. Nipa si ye ko asase obi wa or the container kosi baby kitu ebi o se ene dia me boa na de obo eni on de oba na obubom and this Sunday na ye there media me fo aso me Sunday we cry na me discuss it but ede say you bit man discuss no obi hu say e bronsam say wo pe onyonko nipa say the same sex we are bronsam. Okay. Me nyan say wa bodama na ulu need here we are bronsam.
Okay. Okay.
Because say wait my pan even nipa kra unye no one na ne da hwe aso de ba so.
Sa won.
Yeah. And no dey tell me kan na wa pa no ho na no me he sa social media enu ntina obi wo ha also onye too active on social media so you see social media kra bronsam.
Sa.
Oh, yeah. Do you know why? Emma upesa won hwe kra obehwe. I'm telling you. Enti ye mu bi no ye on social media so ba mo ha ye dey growing different. Ye dey growing different because we sua Bible la. Woni baby adon won na besi. Wo ye bibia. Ana religion and yes the way uncomfortable the religion ati trom hu no. Enu ntina say obi wa or religion background ti hu no kra na or you be I was a religion man attractive now ultimate nipa kura timi bow and ultimate make be intro and then make a show and say sad end the bone na me kura me this way girl me nim na aka woni de me no me good in mass you me boa no but me man hu say no ate ase say e bone so odonyankopon dia so odonyankopon dia omomode no sakra obetumi empire body ye begine mama ye beboa no na so no ahunam no oma oni no honam so because one yes now and I say I need help you and who need help pray to God and ask God to help you because it's so nyankopon the ball say I don't even know how to put this say nyankopon the ball na se wo ye bibi na wo hiam wa na truly wa kumem wo hiam wa oboa me bra so oka na me nimpo se ozi oye sa nyoma ni bida but na hwe odi adanse kama na me nya sure say sebe One man who quite so die. Oh man who quite answer. Let me tell you something. And then I meet you. Yeah, what me what Adam Phobia me na me ne channel. And now he's also a big DJ. Me too be ponugu ye no. On na me the channel. No, DJ de me kano. Every youth who nyini on say sanu man ube nyedi. One day me to am say ah, na me ponogram me there then. Pono me there then. Not really, but on say you come across it. More London abundance to US wherever na if one the Chinese one the between me. You see? Now I'm saying back I say guys say to talk Ubo one knows what to be. Actually you say me na collections. Ah, one day me one am say me na ma dey way bebre want me so I am go to egu no so ope. Me dey man we na me know me ho. Say ah, ade am go to egu. Onu so ope. Ma chani polo. Oh. Enti enoma ebre eye fi.
I just need to. One second. I just need to add to what he said regarding what you said. Okay, you kept saying you're cultured, but you also have another side.
Yeah.
Now, I just need to establish the fact. Say there's one Bible, and it pertains to black, white, blue, indigo. No matter who you are, where you find yourself.
That's it.
What the Bible says is one. It says the heavens
But
and earth will pass away.
I'm just saying, to me, I'm a Christian. I don't believe in that. But I'm talking about when it comes to someone trying to kill themselves because of something they are going through.
Let me tell you. No. Let me tell you. So what's our problem?
And I said, be yourself. I didn't say keep
me pacho, take a Mr. Mo.
Okay, the only topic we dey mama minke. No, me my pick is now.
Me pacho te. Who dey jina David Tobo.
Me papa say o better now be lesbianism.
Mr. Safo.
Tell me.
Bible say hu mpe na so hu na ye mre.
Yeah.
Oye nipa. Nyankopon ko ani say ye mre tina bra wo kono ka say menya munyanka meso mama hu kwa no am na be hye mama. Na sa nkoko no be hye mama be start ayene ma fofo.
Preach it, sister, preach it.
Obi ohono ma hu nkoko no ebi nya me hye ni. Enti ono sa na wode no ho akowia sa ate bia nim no. Edien na odwen say wo ye osofo e oye ebeboa na meneti me fit sa ate bia nim.
First off, you've got to accept Jesus. You know? I dream say religion is a wrong word. Relationship is what it should be. Religion, Sunday, praise and worship, your friend, your sofa can say, yes, that's just religion. But you must have a relationship with Jesus. Michelle Madame for be about 3 months ago, about 4 months ago. Now, Michelle, I'm in a book came together. Michelle, you can't say, make a can on me, but Charlie, you know. And I noticed an earnest, honest desire to stop. And he, McCutcheon said, you know what? First off, I've got to lead you to Jesus. It's been a bonfire. Say let's pray nicely. And I'm on 20 cities. Now I was reading 20 cities, or also here, Tojot. I'm saying Tojot. I'm saying, no, you are, whatever, okay. It's for your jot. After you finish doing the cocaine, it's for your sleepers. Buy jot. And when you, before you buy the cigarettes, make sure you read your 1 chapter. Buy the cigarettes. So, and smoke it. When you're smoking, be saying to yourself, I am the righteousness of God. I cannot sin. I'm above sin. Keep repeating it to yourself. Read your 1 chapter. Buy the jot. Keep repeating. And you will believe it. I met you about 6 weeks after that with a file under his arm. Joe, back him 2 weeks now. I'm telling you. Why? Because he kept confessing the right thing. He had a relationship with Jesus because he was reading his Bible every single morning. So it wasn't just another religious gimmick. It was a relationship he had, and that's what she needs. Yeah. She needs to receive Jesus first. Or can we say, not so much and also say, would you yes now Jaya over cancer? Into I had dead news. You have been able to come out to say that I was doing this. I've stopped. Absolutely.
Say, you who am fanning ye, dear, says your pet because on a born.
Absolutely.
I know the later na make say or no bet nasi. No, Uncle. I still stand by it. So bet nasi. Now be lesbianism and now homosexuality.
Bible say so or bonnie for back cuz aka won
Yakupon answer so say ubone dos ma otifa so
Bible say yenya tenem ye mu ate.
No, you woni pe bi nso wo ha on sakra because on one no, you woni pe bi wo nso on sakra because on one kasa ne bronsam. Let me tell you something. Bronsam oba different colors so. Oba different colors and in different moods. So we share if ye nipa kra ye horror movies are. I'm very passionate about this topic because a topic na they be me person me ka ho asem. Unim say who be cool la so anu aye no ho say good best friend. Yes. And no ne bronsam. Enti onzo ye mpese me jan mpese bisa no say enti no krani upese wo dia je Bible sua Bible te say senior me nu yi kan. Na di Yesu ana Yehu atum so on the ball na omo amejai and only the best solution what for the obey or day obey mama pep talk yes but at the end of the day you want a bit man save you so on the meter
the biggest problem was even telling her friend she have told Jesus talk
who you lesbian who you lesbian who you mo kan say homosexual what's that say unia now when you bronsam
TikTok.
Yeah, that's serious. For 9
years. No,
only
9 years.
For 9 years.
Who are they you too? Are they you Akuapem Twi?
What's that what you
Who you bronsam kasa.
TikTok. Yeah, you say you one no free to be any.
No, Akuapem Twi. No. Maybe I'm being a bit too harsh, but look, Akuapem Twi. Let no, we have to be serious about this topic.
It's a serious story, so
let an on throw be keko be so ya. No.
What you say? Kasi what you say?
Me who inside the letter? Or broadcast it. Or person broadcast it that lifestyle mo be ehun say wo Ghana.
Oh, TikTok, don't be too judgmental, Mr.
No, I'm not judging you. I am adding a voice to it.
Mr.
I want us to banish that letter.
Hey, that will be
TikTok.
What to say?
Share. What's your advert?
Publicly to promote lesbianism.
What's your advert? Message you made we say yenyate yemuate sans na yemboa. Who boa for?
Debi, me pato me boate. Hey. Debi, me say comparing say yes, comparing say bia.
She doesn't change.
Say bia. Say bia yemfa say.
Abusafo. Say there SIS no mama yenko ne konkoje. Your messages maybe in free a chef go TikTok. Mr. So we say me sure. Okay. Obisi sister Akua, you're looking fly. Sister Efia, if any or see if anybody jokes, show them everything so then go see say we verse for success since 1957. TikTok, you spelled there. Nice show and enjoying it. Honorable host, big ups to TikTok. He is one of the pioneers and honestly, you can't compare the Western stars lifestyle to that of ours because our culture differs. Why? Okay. Hi, I'm Latif from Volta region. Please tell Sister Efia I love her swag. Nice set. All of you guys are looking awesome. Did I hear Sister Efia say she's 24 to 25 years? Mamma mia. Please invite Countryman Songo to your program one night. I will invite him. I love Sister Efia too much. You're truthful. Chop one. Chop kiss. Hi, my name is Montana and I'm enjoying your show, Sister Efia. Tell Sister Efia that she's looking good. Sister Efia, somewhere Efia. Hi, Akua, you look good. My regards to Bentum. I like you, Papa. Tell Sister Efia she looks je. I love you. We love you too, darling. Wow, this is a banger from TikTok. I'm Mankind from Taifa, Burkina. I'm enjoying the show. Very educative. My dad used to send me to buy him weed and alcohol, but I never smoked before. But I do take in alcohol though. Intimate so alcohol. Idea one kasa wono ma. What to say? We nipeduano say Yankopon sorry dying tia was so share esuye enti so no alcohol like jai because emfasobia eniso. Hi, I'm Each my baby from Fadama Angel Akua. I really love your show. Thank you very much. Cause wanna share the purple room. Can't miss a day without watching this program because it's very advisable. To we, the youth of this generation, my only advice to her is to try to get a guy who can perform the act of a lesbian, and I believe she can definitely change with time, and also to seek for forgiveness from God, and also forget about that friend, as she is just human and not God. Sultan from Tema. Sultan Yamin Shao. Today is my first time of watching this program. The program is really good. Please tell TikTok for me I like to be his friend and sister. Ekia, you look good. Thank you. Hi, Madam Ekia. Lesbianism is a devilish act. It comes from Satan. She needs to see a good pastor to help her pray to God to forgive her and deliver her and invite Jesus into her heart. Secondly, she must withdraw from friends and things that make her do that act. It's part of lifestyle. People were born with that, but since she wants to stop it, good. She got to go into serious counseling. I wish her good luck in her rehab. Thank you very much, City. God forgive you, Selena, for getting the little girl involved. The fact is she has to be ready for inconvenience so that she can stop. God created Adam and Eve, not Adam and Adamu or Eve and Eva. She should remember Sodom and Gomorrah.
Oh, this guy, I want to use that for Koro.
Hi, Ekia. I am Mami Nyakwa from Kwabenya. I agree with what TikTok is saying. TikTok also. I'm loving TikTok. Obviously, I love you.
I love you too.
Basically, 3 factors according to research causes that most at times. Ladies who practice those things are normally born with men genes. Being dominant, making them behave like that, vice versa. Okay. Ekia, tell TikTok that I respect him very much tonight on how he speaks tonight on your show. I give him thumbs up from Chumbarima, aka Opoman. TikTok. Also, I want him thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Oh, that's why. People are hypocrites. The same people pointing hands at their fellow are the same who will do same and destroy the life of others. We are not God to judge. Judgment, they will expose the hypocrites. Hi, good evening. I'm Amma Ofusua. Please, Ekia, today's letter is huge. The lady needs serious prayers. It's evil. Thanks. Thank you. My name is Foyo from Kodiabe. First time in my life, I like TikTok and the truth he said. TikTok and the other guy are addressing the whole topic personally because naturally they don't like that stuff. I really love your show. My name is Daniel. My stand on homosexuality is that it is a mental illness according to the American Psychiatric Association. Until 1974, homosexuality was a mental illness. What changed? Even dogs don't do that. There is the spiritual side of being gay or lesbian, but the utmost decision is in our hands.
Now,
America be brave.
America about me person me can't say me. One can me person me can't you know but ono oba na manage pa obi can be say obi or you born with it. Minimum bia or you born with female hormones, right? Or performing behave as a female. But thank you. Thank you. Me wo obi wo wa sisi a or your oba or yan ho se bema. But on or a tomboy pepe but on your lesbian.
Okay.
Maybe that also could be a different.
No, Tie.
A different
and no make us
type of
say
illness.
Okay.
Illness. What's that the illness? Yes,
So,
Mr. Bentu, Mr. Final submission.
Well, I think that your friends Ernestina should find Jesus, basically, and have a relationship with Jesus.
Okay.
It's the first step to any kind of reparation. Yeah.
Okay. Sister,
I would still stand with be yourself.
Okay. TikTok.
I would just say Ghana ye mat lesbianism cause me to fear. Me kwa compare baby before fratna. Senior America ya yanko for that so tell come to dada.
Okay.
Because minim said rule number 1 by Jehovah God, my creator. We should not indulge in same-sex marriage, same-sex, that is it's nonsense. And then I also want to use this platform because to invite Obi Oyese my film na my say may showcase Kitwa because it's just for like 150 people at piano bar Friday. It started 7 p.m. To me invite Munina.
Okay.
Me person who may your mama special one.
I'm flattered.
Oh yes, of course. Me invite Munina Mumra me live.
Okay.
And it's going to be industry people, my friends, my fans, just come, let's socialize.
Okay.
Let's you know, let's have a chit chat one-on-one. Because normally, say a big show, unyanisa, on say na security near there, but we know we can relate. Into a piano bar nungwa 7 p.m. And Mecca say will be soon follow me at my social media handle at TikTok GH, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok GH, Instagram, TikTok GH. Na yen I was so. Na yen to us our topic is so many the topic nepa.
Okay.
And for the girl no, Mecca say like me bra paying kind no. So be here in Bible. Na senior kano on pair obi obetima aboa no. Ewo nchechre ye wo nchechre wo say wonya nchechre na wote ase a wo afi de wo ya de na wonim you feel embarrassed, not guilty, ashamed.
Okay.
Because uni obi nyanketa ho obofo nyanketa ho na wa hye ne bo na wo san on say na wo ye nti on pesa line na nipa de mo fa na ni ntu nipa so.
Okay.
Nipa be yi na hwe.
Okay.
Wait, just before you go.
Okay.
60 seconds. 8th December, Conference Center. Actors, presenters, musicians for Christ. Come through, it will be awesome.
Okay.
And let's do this together.
If you also hear
I've got a new song out. It's called Pass You. It's on YouTube. It's doing well. So go for should just.
It's called
Pass You. Pass You. And you might not see that.
Haters.
People should just check it out. It's on YouTube now. So we'll be able to check it out.
Okay. Ebusian for pepper and Jimmy when you go to our ocean. Na me, I think me call Bible na lesbianism. Adia me who me say Bible I refer to it as a capital sin, which is punishable by death.
Oh, you are?
No. Hey, na. Say who said the boy and say yes Christo de nekra abeti en ko batete na. Na nka we ye bone no nya asotwe ne dia. Enke eni owo asotwe. But and not say yes Christo de nekra ebe wo gye en kwente wo de ne muja ne pepa. Sa instant justice no if you honom emai. Enti Mr.
question me. Come be say story no han ka kire o.
Pepacho.
Yeah, beto ye mboa.
Ya meto el Bible mu. Pepacho.
Who did this be na ball me boa?
Yes. But we see onipa ko no onhwehwe nyame. And na kwan be na obefa so ahwehwe nyankopon.
No, onhwehwe no.
Okay. Enti Mr. Die nyina ebeka amana kosi ni se hwehwe nyankopon. Na fa wa kwan nyina hye nyankopon sa. No ene betimi achetene wa kwan. Enfo ani ntim paso ehwe de obi e because obi betina honom na obu atan. So na ebie onipa kon de wo ye no. Etan de wo ye no. Enti fa ogidie eche nyankopon mu. Enka wasam nche nipa. Ezan so onipa ni mu abia.